Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150, guys, that generation year 2015, 16, 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the rear power windows is located. You have one fuse that controls left and right power window on the rear side. Stay with us, we'll explain, guys, in that video today where that rear power window fuse is located, where to buy cheap fuses from, why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, okay, the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So right here, guys, we're going to demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150. So if you have one of those, okay, you have 2 fuse boxes. One fuse box on your truck, guys, will be located under the hood behind the car battery. And if you open that fuse box, it will look just like this one. You have different fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, expensive. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. The fuse box that we need for the rear power windows now is located in the cabin on your F-150, guys, in the footwell right here. So if you guys look on the right side by that kick panel, there is one cover that you remove, and you're going to open a fuse box that will look just like this one. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, guys, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to. So the fuse, guys, that we will need to check now here specifically, okay, you can see that you have all kinds of fuses here, right? Okay, you have different fuses, different relays, and some of those, guys, are double fuses there as well. So the fuse that we'll need to check now, guys, okay, for the rear power windows, it's fuse number 38. But if you look here, there is no number such as 38, guys. For instance, on the left side, they go all the way to 37. You don't see 38. So where is 38? It's a special fuse, guys. We're talking about that fuse right here on top for the rear power windows. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching. See you next time.